How's it? I'm Kev. This time I'm laying track. But before that, I'm filling the nail holes with a mixture of plaster and black paint. And I cut off the end sleepers. Now I'm gluing it all down with PVA and line it up with a swap line module. Once dry, I paint the sleepers a light grey and give them a white dry brush. I'm aiming for a sun-bleached timber look. Now I paint the rails and fixings in a rusty red-brown mix, followed with a black wash to tone everything down a bit. I fix the 3 rails supporting the retaining wall. And lastly, I give everything a pink wash to simulate dust from the surrounding dirt. And here's the result. Next time, I'll add this homemade red ballast. Thanks for watching. Press the like button.